Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I just used Colourpop products for this Valentine's Day look using face, eyes, and lip products. And it was sort of a challenge because I am sort of on the route with my Holy Grail products, but it was really fun and very interesting. And a lot of the products were really good. Continue watching, let me know what you guys think, and let's get right into it. So dolls, I always start with my eyebrows and I use concealer under them. Yeah, I'm excited there. And I used actually Golden 40, but I'm supposed to use a lighter color, and I do go in later on with that lighter color, as you see. And I always tap before I, oh, so much that, yeah. I got excited there. I always tap before I put the product on. I'm just working the summer side onto my crease and blending it out. I just keep adding more summer side until I get the intensity that I want. Then I'm going in with Seeker. I'm going into the crease as well and a little above that. Then I go in with Boy Band. I do add this little by little, and you do have to kind of build intensity with this shadow. Then I go in with Sequins. I always go in with these sort of glittery shadows with my finger. I think it works best. And then I go in with my brush to blend the edges. And so I did my lashes off camera. Then I go in with medium 30. Right under my eyes. Then I go in with medium tan 35 all over my face. I thought I was going to use another color, but I just use these two concealers, and then to bronze I use a deep 70 or deep 60, I'm not sure. I will put it down below. Then I use my RCMA powder, it's my favorite powder, and then I cut the cheek with the same powder. I brush it off, sorry. And then I use this bronzer. I will put it down below because I really can't remember what bronzer it is. And then I go in with my blush. I absolutely love this blush. It's really nice and it's so pigmented. Then I go in with Boy Band under the eye. Again, I did have to build it, and I did smoke it out a little bit. Colourpop highlighters are one of my favorites. I used Over the Moon for this look. I actually didn't record it, and I didn't record the lip part below. Hey dolls! I just finished doing this look. It's for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys like it. I only use Colourpop, and it was all Colourpop products. They don't have foundation, so I had to mix different concealers, and I think it worked out pretty good, to be honest. And the lashes, sorry, I always forget. The lashes are actually velour lashes. Wispy Away, by the way, that's what they're called. Anyways, I hope you guys like this Valentine's Day look. Let me know if you guys recreate it. Let me know if you guys get empty. So bad. Anyways, love you guys. I know I always say this, but I am definitely gonna try to actually put content out. A lot of people have been telling me to actually do it, and so I'm doing it. Shout out to Kayla Lawson, check out her YouTube video. Shout out to Cinderella as well, she has a YouTube video, and shout out to Malcolm, he's also been really on it for me. A lot of my friends have been telling me that, to be honest. But let me know if you guys get some love on Valentine's Day. I'm actually very single, so if you guys are interested, let me know. Anyways, as always, love, peace, bye dolls!